Welcome to the Algebraic Formulas Masterclass, a comprehensive guide to core algebraic identities. We will explore fundamental formulas that are essential tools for solving mathematical problems. We begin with the square identities, focusing on techniques for expanding and factoring binomials. These are the building blocks of more complex algebraic expressions. The sum and difference of squares identities cover binomial expansions. The sum formula, a plus b squared, expands to a squared plus 2 ab plus b squared. The difference formula, a minus b squared, includes a negative cross term. The difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b, is key for factoring. This is a fundamental tool for simplifying rational expressions and solving complex equations. Next, we examine the cubic identities, which involve third-order polynomial expansions. These identities allow us to handle algebraic expressions with higher powers efficiently. The binomial cubes include the sum cube and difference cube formulas. These expansions involve four terms: the cubed terms and intermediate terms with squared variables, and the product of a and b. The sum and difference of cubes formulas provide factored expansions for expressions like a cubed plus b cubed and a cubed minus b cubed. These are often used in advanced factoring problems. The trinomial square is an important identity for three-term expressions. It involves squaring each term individually and adding twice the product of every unique pair: 2ab, 2bc, and 2ca. Understanding these formulas has practical value. We will explore how to apply these algebraic identities in various real-world scenarios. Applications include mental math, such as quickly squaring numbers. These identities are also vital in engineering for structural analysis and in programming for optimizing algorithms and calculations. Algebraic identities have a geometric basis. For example, the expansion of a minus b squared can be visually confirmed by breaking down a square into smaller geometric sections. Thank you for watching this video on algebraic identities. Algebra is the language of science. Keep practicing to master these essential formulas.